Alright, so it's morning time. We're going to go to Dead Horse Point State Park today, and I will hopefully be able to fly my drone around. It says on the website it should be good to go, so I'm gonna head that way. I'm gonna pack my stuff up really quickly and then we'll be on the road. Alright guys, we made it. We're at Dead Horse Point State Park. Looking around, there's about 3 other people at the park today. They said that there's very few people at the park in the wintertime, so I'm going to eat it up. It's very, very windy today, so I'm being very careful with my drone. It should be heavy enough that it won't blow off, and it's pretty good. I've got like 20 something satellites. So, okay guys, I'm here. I'm going to take my photos and my videos and go from there. Alright guys, quick video. I just wanted to share with you these views. The view here is incredible. I know my video can't do it justice, but it's so large you can't really put it into a lens. Well, not the lens that I have, but yeah, just wanted to share with you that view. I'm gonna keep taking my videos, and you'll see some photos too. We're kind of limited to what we can do with the drone here, but where I'm at right now, you can't really fly. So. Alright, so we're back in the hotel room. Kind of a lazy day today. I did go out and go to Dead Horse Point. Got some pretty amazing pictures and videos. I'll be sure to post those in the video, or I'll post those online and add them to the video here. But I just stopped by a place in town and ate pretty much a full 3-course lunch / dinner. I'm going to chill in the room for a minute. If I do get hungry again tonight, I'm gonna go to the grill and have like something small, like a small steak or something, just something very light, because I pretty much had the food for the freaking week just now. So probably not a lot happening this evening in terms of video updates, so I may give one more if I go out to a restaurant or something. But tomorrow we're probably going to take a trip to Goblin Valley State Park. There's going to be, it's probably like an 1.5-hour drive, I think. So I'll finish up my drone adventure with that state park and prep up for my flight on Sunday. So